Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike shop business. So let's suppose I am running a bike shop business and I am receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and messages, and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am going to send the message, and when the user replies to that message, I am automatically going to send the next reply according to the query and the messages sent by my customers. Now if you want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike shop business. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, so here I'm going to send this message, let's wait for the reply, and here I have received this reply, hello, welcome to Speed Riders Bike Shop. So here it has provided me 3 buttons. I'm going to go with this view new arrivals, and it has sent me the new arrivals. Let's go with this mountain bike, and it is going to send me the details, buy now button or go back. I'm going to go with this book a service, and it is going to send me the type of service it offers, full bike service, and it is going to send me a thank you message. Next, let's go with this current offers, and it is going to send me all the offers. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike shop business. Now with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can either connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button, or you can connect with the help of token. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply visit this YouTube tutorial. Connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow in few clicks. Here I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and it gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. On the left hand side, where we can see all these options, I have this inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. We have this contact, so this manage your leads, customers and their details. We have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this template option where you can create and manage reusable messages templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast. So this sends bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestions. We have the settings. Over here you can see all the options which it provides. This will help configure account integration and preferences. Here we have this get help option. So this access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's go back to my dashboard. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows. I'm going to open this flows. And here we have landed to this flow builder page. And here we have landed to this flow builder page. Here you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which have been created. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. And it has taken me towards this page from where we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for your bike shop business. Now we have to create this WhatsApp chatbot. On the left hand side, we have 2 most important options of messages and action. Now under this options, we have very important buttons which we will be using while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So let's quickly go through all of these buttons. So the first option which we have is of messages, and under messages, the first button is of text button. So this button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this media button. So this allows you to send images images, videos or GIFs with a message. We have this list, so this shows a list of options instead of buttons. If you want to send catalog message, you can select this button. If you have single product, you can select this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can select this button. Now this is a pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons and links. This template button. Moving on to the next option of actions. Under actions, the very first button is of condition. So this allows you to set logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. This is ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone number or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload images, videos or documents. We have the set custom field. So this stores the user input and custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assign a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external API to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now here we are done with understanding all of the buttons and options. Now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So to start this WhatsApp chatbot, activate this WhatsApp chatbot or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we need to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hey, hi, hello. And then I need to enter the regex. You can also add the keywords for your product and services. I'm going to add hey, hi, hello. And then you need to enter the regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify different patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, we can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex like. While entering the regex, we have to keep in mind that we follow the same process or format of entering this regex. Here we have one more option. Enter regex to match some string trigger. Enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here I have enabled this. This is for case sensitivity. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages. And here we are done with this adding of keywords and the regex. Next we have to move towards creating a message. Now here we have activated or triggered this WhatsApp chatbot by entering the keywords and the regex. And next I have to enter the message. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see that as soon as I've sent this message, the WhatsApp chatbot got triggered and it has sent me this message. Now how we are going to create this message? For that, what we have to do, we have to go towards my WhatsApp chatbot and then I have to click on this circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I have to select my content type. Here I have already explained to you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button. And then I have to enter my message over here. So I'm going to enter the message. Let's say hello and welcome to Speed Riders Bike Shop. And then I can provide the buttons. Now, if you have a long list of options, what you can do, you can simply drag and drop this list button and provide the list. Here, as I'm simply going to provide the button or the option to my user or the customer, I'm going to click on that add button and then I've added 3 buttons. I'm going to quickly add the value to all these fields or the buttons. So here I have provided 3 buttons: view, new arrival, book a service, current offers. Now here I'm going to provide the message for each of these buttons. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop this, and then I'm going to select my content as text plus button. Here, this is how we are going to build the connection. Now, what if I want to send some media, image, video or audio? For that, we have to follow the same process, but in this content type, I have to select that as media, and then I have to select my media type, which I'm going to upload. Let's suppose I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to select my media type as image, and then I have to click on this cloud from where I'm going to select my image, and then I'm simply going to upload that. Any of the media will be uploaded in this manner. So I'm going to quickly create all the buttons and messages, and then we'll move forward. So here I've created the message for each of the buttons for the new arrivals, book a service and current offers. For this current offers, I'm going to give the offers and then I'm going to give the button for the shop now. If they're going to click on the shop now, I'm going to send this message in which I've provided the product details. And if they're going to schedule test ride, I'm going to ask them their name, the date, and then I'm going to send them the confirmation message that your ride has been scheduled. Now, if they're going to click on this new arrivals, I'm going to send this message, what are the new arrivals, and if they're going to select this, I'm going to send this message that do you want to buy, and if they're going to click on this, I'm going to send them this confirmation message. Next, we have this book a service. If they want to get the service, I'm going to send this message, and if they're going to select the service, I'm going to ask them that my team member is going to be in touch with them in this minute and this time. And if they're going to click on this call now, I'm going to send them this message. If they're going to click on this main menu, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop the circle to the very first message, and this is how we build connection. So I hope this is clear to you. Now in this chatbot, I have done one thing. I have asked the question. And how I have created this question? For that, I have simply drag and drop this question box, enter this text, enter bike name, and then I have selected my contact custom field. Over here, you can see that I have selected my contact custom field as order, and then I have selected the format. Now here, what I have done, I have created this contact custom field for the bike name. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards this contact custom fields, and when we are going to ask the question and when the user replied to that question, that answer gets saved in this contact custom field. So let's open my contact custom field. Here I have landed to this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. You can even simply copy this field name. Over here you can see click here to copy field name. You can copy this field name and you can paste that over here. So this will create personalized message. I'm going to paste this for you and you will see this dollar full name. I'm just taking an example because I do not require to use this. I'm just taking an example like this dollar is going to create a dynamic message or a personalized message as soon as your questions get answered by the customer. So that answer is going to get saved in my contact custom field. So this is how it works. It is always important to create a contact custom field for all the questions which you are asking. So in this manner, we have created the same chatbot which we have tested. You can create more buttons and more messages. You can upload the media, or you can connect various flows, or you can ask the address or the location. Here we have learned all the buttons. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And if you have any doubt or queries, you can comment below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. So here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your bike shop business. I hope you liked this video and you understood this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.